Summer is here and the good weather begins. We are in a beach place, and what better way to try a couple of convertibles? Good plan, right? Today we come face to face with two cars that want the crown in the convertible segment. A comfortable sedan Cabrio versus a compact sporty Cabrio. Let's go. We start with the SX Cabriolet, a fully redesigned vehicle by Chevalier based on a Sisten Torero. The car is a very attractive compact and exudes sportiness, but its goal is to be fun. Mounts a 1.6-liter gasoline engine with 100 horsepower. Its engine is guided by a 5-speed manual gearbox. Does 0 to 100 km per hour in 11.2 seconds. And this engine is from the Sisten brand and has not been modified. We continue with the Rigel Tinto Cabrio. A cabriolet sedan produced by the Spanish company Rigel in 1998. Its design is longer. Mounts a 1.6-liter 90-horsepower gasoline engine. Power is managed by a 5-speed manual gearbox. The 0 to 100 km per hour achieves it at 13.6 seconds. The SX Cabriolet's drive is firm with precise steering. The cornering is very correct and you can squeeze without losing control. Its weight is 1270 kg and the body is rigid and does not rock. The engine is more powerful, it beats the Rigel by 10 horsepower. Despite this, it struggles to rev up and can be lazy on hills. In conclusion, sporty and fun driving. It is a vehicle that a young public who wants to have fun and have a simple car but with pure driving will like a lot. The Tinto Cabrio has a more relaxed and comfortable driving. Its greater length gives it a feeling of poise on the road. Despite having less power, the engine is livelier. Its acceleration is less, but it feels powerful. It is heavier with 1390 kg. Its electric steering is comfortable in the city, but on the open roads it doesn't transmit much, which makes it more prone to losing control. It is a car focused on ride comfort and convenience. Perfect for a public that does not care so much about sportsmanship, but rather a pleasant summer ride. The Tinto Cabrio, being a sedan, shows a greater length. It measures 4.3 meters long. The brand details make the car look modern and attractive. The interior is shared with all Tinto versions. Premium interior with special fabric seats, CD radio and air conditioning. The seats can be ordered with yellow or black cloth. The XS Cabriolet is compact and shorter in size. It measures 3.94 meters long. Nice and clean design. Its interior is basic and simple, just enough to just enjoy driving. Accessories such as cassette and a digital speedometer. The XS Cabriolet has a safety arch between the rear and front seats. The Tinto Cabrio resorts to a reinforcement in the A-pillar and an anti-roll protector of heads in the rear seats. The XS Cabriolet has a manual fabric top. The Tinto has an automatic electric cloth top. The XS Cabriolet in this configuration starts at €17,600. Next, we show different objective data that automation offers us. It shows more sporty and with better engine economy. As for its reliability, it is below the Rigel. Automation pricing. The Tinto is cheaper, specifically €2,570 less. This version and engine is sold at a dealer for €15,030. The Tinto stands out for its comfort, ease of driving and safety. Outperforms XS Cabriolet in overall car and engine reliability. So what do you prefer? Comfort and quality interior, or sporty and simple for more money? The choice is yours.